Cuisinart TOA-70NAS air fryer toaster oven is the kind of appliance that shows up in dorm rooms and studio kitchens where someone needs to cook a proper meal without a full range. It's not the best toaster oven on the market, but it solves a problem the obvious countertop options ignore, fitting both a 12-inch pizza and a 4-pound chicken in the same 0.6 cubic foot box. Most compact ovens force you to choose. This one does not. You know the step that goes wrong with toaster ovens. It is the moment you open the door to check dinner, and the whole cavity dumps its heat onto the counter, resetting whatever timer you trusted. The Cuisinart TOA-70NAS air fryer toaster oven is built around an 1800-watt heating element, which is the number that decides whether that step still goes wrong. More power means the cavity recovers faster, and a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff means you can walk away without playing chicken with the broiler. Its job is single and specific: replace the toaster, the air fryer, and the broiler on a crowded counter. It does not attempt to bake bread from scratch or slow roast a turkey. One measurement confirms that boundary: 0.6 cubic feet of interior space. That is large enough for a 4lb chicken or a 12-inch pizza, small enough to fit under most cabinets. The air fry setting uses Air Advantage technology with a top fan and heater assembly, which means hot air circulates instead of cooling, so chicken wings crisp without turning the kitchen into a grease fog. The temperature range runs from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers everything from gentle reheating to proper browning. The adjustable temperature dial and toast shade selector give you control without guessing. The ceramic nonstick reversible grill and griddle, the baking pan with drip tray, and the air fry basket all slide into that 0.6 cubic foot cavity, which means cleanup does not become a second meal. The stainless steel Easy Clean interior handle splatters without a scrubbing session. Here is who this is not for: someone who regularly feeds 6 people in one sitting. The 0.6 cubic foot capacity means you will cook in batches, and the 3lb air fry limit is a hard ceiling. If you need continuous throughput, look for a full-size convection oven with a larger cavity. But if your actual problem is a cramped kitchen and a wish to stop juggling 3 appliances, the limitation is irrelevant. You are not paying for capacity you will never use. This is what the channel does: one product examined properly, regularly. I am reading the manufacturer's own listing here, and the spec a careful buyer checks first is interior capacity. The bullets state it plainly: 0.6 cubic feet, enough for a 4lb chicken or a 12-inch pizza. That figure implies the heating element can move enough air to keep that volume even, which is why the 1800-watt rating matters. What the listing stays silent on is preheat time, which usually means it is not competitive. Confirm that before you buy. The real question is not whether you can afford this once, but whether you can afford the cheaper option again and again. The stainless steel Easy Clean interior and the 1800-watt element are the durability signals here. Metal that resists warping, power that does not strain. The alternative is buying a flimsy toaster oven every couple of years because the non-stick coating fails and the thermostat drifts. That pattern costs more than this does. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.